Why is phonetics key to understanding speech origins? Imagine trying to piece together a puzzle with missing pieces. That's what studying how humans produce and perceive sounds helps us do when exploring where speech began. Phonetics is the science that looks at the actual sounds humans make when talking. It examines how the tongue, lips, vocal cords, and other parts work together to produce speech sounds. This is important because these physical actions are the same across all humans, no matter what language they speak. That makes phonetics a tool to compare speech sounds from different groups and times in history. One way phonetics helps trace speech origins is by looking at phonemic diversity. Phonemes are the basic sounds in language, like the B or S sounds. Some languages, especially in Africa, have many phonemes, while others have fewer. Languages with more phonemes might keep older sound systems alive, while those with fewer could have lost sounds over time. By studying these patterns, scientists can estimate when certain sounds first appeared and how they spread as humans migrated. Phonetics also shows us how speech sounds change over time. Small shifts in pronunciation happen naturally. For example, when sounds blend together in speech, they can create new sounds or make old ones disappear. These changes, called coarticulation, help us understand how languages evolve. Tracking these shifts helps reconstruct how languages developed and gives clues about early human communication. Perception is another key aspect. Babies are born able to distinguish many speech sounds. As they grow, they focus on the sounds of their native language, and their ability to hear other sounds narrows. This process, called perceptual narrowing, suggests that our capacity for speech is partly innate but shaped by our environment. It also hints at how language might have emerged in humans, blending biological ability with cultural learning. From an anthropological point of view, phonetics connects to bigger questions about how humans evolved and communicated. By analyzing speech sounds, researchers can estimate when fully modern language appeared, how it diversified, and how it relates to human culture and thinking. For example, studying endangered languages with unique sounds helps preserve parts of our history. In practical terms, phonetics helps document languages that are disappearing, supports language teaching, and aids in reconstructing ancient languages. It also shows how speech patterns reflected social identity and group membership. All in all, phonetics is essential for understanding how speech started because it gives us the tools to analyze how sounds are made, how they change, and how they are perceived. These insights help us piece together the story of human language, how it evolved, and how it continues to shape who we are.